So you just passed your driving test, congratulations, you've got your driver's license, and now you want to buy your first car. But where do you even start from? So today, we want to use the power of AI to help us find the car for our needs that we're probably going to use in the next probably 1 or 2 years before we can upgrade. So not to take so long in this introduction, let's get started and let's see if we can use AI to find the car that we need. All right, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using an app called Perplexity. So Perplexity is similar to ChatGPT. The only difference is Perplexity will give you information based off current information on the internet, whereas ChatGPT will only give you information up until 2021, to the best of my knowledge. So if I'm not mistaken, Perplexity runs off the back end of Copilot, which is Microsoft's version of ChatGPT. So we're going to run the prompt. I'm going to go through the prompt with you and we're going to see the results that it gives us. And of course, we're going to cross-reference the results to see if AI can help us find the perfect or near perfect first car for our needs. All right, so let's get started. I've already generated the prompt. I'm going to enter it and I'm going to take you guys through the prompt. All right. So this is what I came up with. Let's start from the top. I'm in the UK and I'm looking to purchase a car within a budget of £1,500, paying cash without financing. So with this prompt, I'm being very specific to what I need the vehicle for so it can give me the best results. So I'm letting ChatGPT, well, Perplexity, know that I've got 1,500. That's my budget. I want to buy the car cash. I don't want to finance it. So I want the results that it gives me for cars that I can buy and not finance. All right. I guess financing as well. I'm not really sure the process of financing a used vehicle, but maybe that could be a video for the future. Anyway, my typical usage includes a 10-mile commute to work Monday to Friday, occasional weekend travels within a 10-mile radius, and a 3-mile trip to church every Sunday. So yeah, just specifying how much I'm going to be, or yeah, how I'm going to be using the car, what I'm going to be using the car for. All right. After taxes, I have a monthly income of 1,500 with around 500 left after expenses. Considering fuel costs, insurance, and affordable servicing and parts, I need recommendations for suitable vehicles within my budget. So again, I'm letting it know that look, when you give me this result, I want you to consider all these things, right? That I've only got 500 left after all my expenses. So I need you to give me results on vehicles that I can maintain under that budget after taxes, all right, and after expenses and everything like that. Cool. So please suggest at least 6 car models along with ideal year ranges, estimated mileage within my price point, and links to websites where I can find these cars. Additionally, I would appreciate recommendations for insurance websites that I can compare quotes. Thank you. So that's the prompt. All right. So let's run it and let's see the result that it's going to give us. Okay. All right. So these are the search results. The Dacia Sandero, the Renault Clio, the Hyundai i10, VW Polo, Seat Ibiza, and the Vauxhall Corsa. So the Dacia Sandero, a budget-friendly option with low running costs and good fuel efficiency. The Renault Clio, known for its reliability and affordability. The Hyundai i10 offers good value for money, efficient engines, and a comfortable ride. Volkswagen Polo, a reliable choice for low insurance costs. That's very interesting. Never would have thought that. The Seat Ibiza, affordable to run and maintain with good safety features, and the Vauxhall Corsa, known for its reliability and cost effectiveness. So as you can see, it has given us results based off the prompt that we had given it. So what we're going to do is we're going to take these results, all right, and we're going to go into Autotrader and figure out if we can actually find these vehicles for what it has suggested. But interestingly enough, it actually hasn't given us an estimated mileage range to look for. So I'm going to run the same prompt in ChatGPT and let's see what type of results it gives us. Okay, so I've opened ChatGPT and I'm going to copy paste the same prompt and I'm going to run it and let's see what type of results it's going to give us. All right, very interesting. One thing's for certain is I can see, I think, 3 vehicles that Perplexity gave us. So we have the VW Polo, the Vauxhall Corsa, and the Renault Clio. In addition to that, it has added the Ford Fiesta and the Toyota Yaris. Oh, and also the Peugeot 207. So it's given us an estimated mileage that's between 80,000 to 100,000 miles. That's for the Ford Fiesta. It's given us a link. All right. The VW Polo is between 70 and 90,000. Vauxhall Corsa 70 to 90, Peugeot 70 to 90, Clio 70 to 90, Yaris 80 to 100,000. It has also given us the year as well: 2008, 2012, Polo, 2006, 2010, etc., etc., etc. All right. And just giving us the websites where we can cross reference all of this. So I want to start with Autotrader. It is my favorite platform for searching for cars. It's the biggest market for cars as well online. So let's use Autotrader and let's cross reference these searches and let's see if we can find the vehicle. So let's start with the Ford Fiesta 2008 to 2012, 80 to 100,000. Let's see what type of vehicles it gives us back in that budget. All right, so let's cross-reference and let's see if Perplexity and ChatGPT were close to accurate, in at least in what it was suggesting. So let's open Autotrader, and we're gonna use the Ford Fiesta as an example. I'm not gonna run through all of them. I'm just gonna do the Ford Fiesta. So we're gonna go to F Ford, the model. That's the Fiesta. Okay, I'm gonna go all the way to the bottom and I'm gonna exclude cat S, C, D, and N. I'll make another video explaining what those categories mean and why I'm excluding them. Okay, so back to the top, we're gonna go to our price. So we said the maximum budget is 1,500. Okay, it's suggested from 2008. There we go. That's the minimum mileage, or not minimum mileage, sorry, the year, to 2012. We don't have 2012. We'll go 2011. So we'll use 2011. All right. Minimum, it said between 80 and 120. Or was it 80 and 100? We'll say 120. All right. So minimum, it's saying from 45, which is fine. We'll leave it as is. So we'll just say, yeah, at least 45. All right. Maximum, we'll say 125. All right. And I do believe that's all. And then, of course, if you want to tailor it even more, maybe if you're looking for a diesel or a petrol variant, then you can always select those options. Personally, small vehicles, I do prefer petrol. I know diesels are more efficient, but I just don't know if older version of diesel cars still have that type of efficiency as the newer ones. So if you guys know better, let me know in the description down below. But anyway, I'm gonna say petrol and I'm gonna say done. And yeah, I think that's basically it. Number of doors, I do prefer a 3-door, but this one I'm gonna leave it open just so that we can see all the different options that it's gonna give us. So let's go with search, and here it's given us the results. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to sort by distance. And the reason why I'm sorting by distance, because I want to find out which of these vehicles are close to where I stay, because some people don't want to purchase a vehicle that's 100 miles away from them. They want something that's close by that they can go and see for themselves before making a purchasing decision. So I like to use that filter. All right, if you want, you can filter by mileage. If you want, you can filter by price, but I usually do it by distance. All right. So as you can see here, the closest one is in Hook, which is 10 miles away, etc., etc., etc. So let's click on this first one. All right. And let's have a look at it. So this is a Ford Fiesta 2008 model 1.25. It's a 3-door. Like I said, I do like 3 doors. And yeah, from here, you can just basically go through all the options and see, the vehicles that it has given you. This one, geez, man, that is, wow. Look at that dent. Unreal. Look at that. Oh, secondhand car market is crazy. But anyway, yeah, you just see, something that you like. This one looks not too bad. 990. Hold up. That's not bad. Let's have a look. All right. For 990, not too bad. But yeah, have a look at the pictures, contact the person who is selling them, go have a look at it, take it for a test drive, and then basically, you know, yeah, decide for yourself. All right, so I hope this video has been useful. I'm going to leave a copy of the prompt in the comment section down below for you to copy and tune to your own needs. And maybe in the future, I'll make a video for cars that you would want versus cars that you would need. And if you want to see a video on how to change your non-British license into a UK full license, you can check this video over here. And with that being said, I'm out, guys. Peace.